Never throw your old kitchen sponges away again. Most people think they're trash once they're worn out, but in your garden, they are worth their weight in pure gold. The environmental secret. These sponges take years to decompose because they're mostly made of plastic. While that's usually bad for the planet, we're going to use that durability to our advantage to create a secret weapon for your plants. Step 1. The disinfection. Before we start, we have to reset the sponge. Soak your used sponges in water with a little soap for 1 hour to kill any kitchen bacteria. Rinse them well and they're ready for the garden. Step 2. The prep. Grab a pair of scissors and chop the sponge into small half-inch pieces. While I'm cutting these up, tell me in the comments, what city are you watching from? I want to give a huge shout out to Krishna Rao from India and Aurora Borromeo from London. Thanks for watching and sharing my tips. Step 3. The secret layer. Now here is the magic. Whether you're transplanting a succulent or sowing new seeds, fill the base of your pot with a mix of soil and these sponge bits. Why this works, the big payoff. So why are we planting sponges? Self-watering. The sponge acts like a hidden reservoir. It holds moisture right at the roots, so if you go on a trip or forget to water, your plants stay hydrated. The nutrient dose. Sponges soak up your liquid fertilizer and release it slowly over time. Your plants get a steady drip feed of nutrients instead of a single washout. Flood protection. If you overwater, the sponges absorb the excess, preventing root rot and keeping the soil perfectly balanced. The result? Every single one of my healthiest plants is grown this way. It's the ultimate trash-to-treasure hack for any home gardener. Your plants are going to thank you for this. But if you want to see my other secret for a DIY liquid fertilizer that works perfectly with these sponges, click the video right here on the screen. Don't forget to hit subscribe before you go, and I'll see you over in that next video to show you the recipe.